Hey guys, we're back for step 3. So, you got your dough. It has started part of the bulk ferment. It sat for about 30 minutes. It's not cookie dough, baby, it's bread dough. It sat for about 30 minutes, and now we're going to do our first set of folds. Miss, hey, we will get cookie dough in a moment. So we're going to start our first set of folds here. This is easy. I just love the way it smells. Okay. So you're going to dig in there. Give it a nice, good stretch. And a fold. I'm just going to go around. Miss Adelaide, I need you to walk away, please. Nice stretch and fold and stretch and fold. Do not take that down, please. Thank you. Stretch it. And fold it up. I probably go around maybe 3 or 4 times. My bowl here is kind of narrow, but just stretch and fold. And what you're doing is you're layering the gluten network here. It's just gonna make it nice and light and fluffy. Oh man. All right, fold and fold and fold and stretch and fold. Okay. And I'm gonna pick you up here so you can see. I'll kind of tuck in the. All right. So we're gonna try this angle so you guys can see a little better. But basically, we're just gonna stretch and fold our corners in. So we did some of those bigger folds. Now I'm just gonna take any little place that's like a little corner and just keep folding it in. I'll go around maybe 2 or 3 times like this. And this is just the first set of folds. So we're gonna do this real quick. All right. I'm gonna call that good. And then I'm gonna cover it back up and we're gonna let it sit over in our nice warm spot for 30 more minutes.